Hey guys, what is up? And today we're going to be looking at how to do the 3 jump. And before anyone says it, yes, my technique is far from perfect. I'm not a figure skater, but this should just break down the movement and give you guys a rough idea of how to do it, and perhaps give you a few prerequisites that might help with actually executing the move itself. So as you can see, I'm just doing it on screen. So without further ado, let's get into it. So firstly, a useful prerequisite can just be doing 180s, just a standard 2-footed 180 jump. So start off, as you can see me doing here, by doing just a small hop. You don't need much air, just to make sure that you're getting round and making sure that you're comfortable with that landing. Once you've done this, then you can move on to try and working on getting it with a little bit more height, as you're going to see me doing now. So as you can see, there's considerably more height, and again, this just cements that landing and just makes sure that you've got it absolutely solid before you start moving on to anything else. The next thing is 180s again, but this time it helps to try and land on 1 foot. As in the 3 jump, you're going to be landing on 1 foot. So make sure you're jumping off 2 and landing on 1. Again, this is just a useful prerequisite that can be useful just to get the feel of it. Again, technique is very different for a 3 jump, but it's just that feeling of landing and getting used to it and getting comfortable on your edges. Now as you can see, we're doing the backwards crossovers. So for a 3 jump, you start off with backwards crossovers, much like you can see me doing here. My arms are out wide because that will come in handy in a moment for when we go on to the next bit. So backwards crossovers is not too technical. If you want to see a tutorial on our crossovers and how to do backwards crossovers, we do have a tutorial on that as well on our tutorial section of our YouTube channel. Be sure to check that out as well. If you like this, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. Now comes the step around. So you're going from backwards crossovers and you step outwards to open up. So for example, if your right leg is the leg that will come behind, your left leg is the one that is going to open out and step forward. So as you can see, I open outwards and then step round. The opening outwards is what sets up the 3 jump, because you start backwards, end up forwards, and jump 180 to finish backwards. So crossovers backwards, turn, step out, and there you go. Now the next step is it's quite simple. It's literally a case of hopping. So once you're doing that, you hop round. So it goes backwards crossovers, as you can see me doing here. So we start the backwards crossovers, we open out, and just a little hop. So give a little bit of a kick and then a hop. And then that will get you used to the motion. The actual 3 jump, your step should be slightly bigger and your jump should be a bit larger. Again, just a nice little hop, and then focus on gliding away like that and making it look, laughably me saying this, but making it look as smooth as possible. But yeah, I'm not a figure skater, so it's not exactly my forte, but it was requested, so I'm doing it. But yeah, get a bit more height each time until you get comfortable with it. But yeah. This is the 3 jump, guys. So you can see a bit more height there, and you're coming round. So I hope this has been somewhat useful, and I hope that this has helped you guys kind of understand the basic movements of the 3 jump. It's not too complicated, it's a fairly basic jump to learn, and I hope this has been somewhat helpful in breaking it down. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.